How to redeem Fortnite gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your Fortnite gift card, whether you have purchased the gift card yourself or if somebody has gifted you the code. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Then you want to head over to fortnite.com. Once you're here, you want to log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on this profile icon. Then from here, select the option of vbucks card. Over here it says an Epic Games account is required to redeem a vbucks card code. If you have an Epic Games account, click on the option of Get Started. This is the place where you can enter your gift code. Go ahead and enter the code or PIN. If you do not know where to find it, the code is located on the back of the card under a scratch-off security covering. Please note that the PIN on the back of your card can only be redeemed through this website. Now enter the code and click on the next option. Once you click on next, you will have to select a device where you want to play Fortnite. Select whichever device you prefer, then click on the next option. Now review the details and click confirm if the Epic account, device, and new balance are all correct. Now you can open Fortnite on your selected device system to view and spend your V-Bucks. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.